My favorite smell, I would say, freshly ground coffee maybe.
My favorite smell is the smell of nature. I think that's why people like, for example, hiking here, to really feel the fresh Arctic air.
I think we in Sweden have very good air quality. That is also something we would like to bring to our customers, to bring Scandinavian air to everyone.
If you check the WHO facts, you can see that it shortens your life being exposed to air pollutants. It can be actually the most important factor for life loss. In a Volvo car, you should not experience any bad smells. You should feel safe. We have had something called combined filters in our cars for actually 20 years. We use polymer material, activated carbon, to capture the particles and the gases.
In a normal filter, really small particles go straight past the filter, and now with the blue air we have found a way to catch the really small and dangerous particles that are smaller than 2.5 microns in size.
We have a very rigorous testing program for all new materials.
We put the vehicle under the sun simulation lamps and tests what is the exposure in the complete vehicle. That is interior emissions. Regarding cabin air quality, we also test single components like the cabin filter,
Foam and also paint, glue, polymeric materials can give rise to interior emissions. There is no possible technical way to measure smell. You need the human nose to be able to detect certain things. Therefore, we need a nose team.
Panel of trained people, and they should represent both female and male, young and old. And they actually evaluate the materials to try to sort out the materials that can cause a bad smell.
The targets we have are based on Scandinavian air quality. To be able to bring Scandinavian air to everyone. That is the ultimate goal of what we would like to achieve.